Okay, so it's pretty dry. Hopefully I got all the corners, so let's do the reveal. Okay, everything's centered. With this, I just hope it looks good. Okay, so we're right at the finish line now. I did do a little change. I just added some more mirrors in between, and that's basically all I did. So the next step is to put this on top, like so. Try to center it as best that I can, and then I need to glue it. Okay. Plan B. Hi guys, welcome back again. It has been 24 hours. I did have a problem at the end trying to get this to stick, so I had to use heavy duty glue and I had to let it sit overnight. I've had these blingy things forever. I bought these at Hobby Lobby.